Have a nice day, everyone. I will continue this series and at chapter 20. This is the video number 7. How to use aircraft maintenance manual, chapter 20. Standard practices. The subject today is removal and installation. This is the subject, removal and installation. This is today, date 12 April 2025. My photo, YouTube channel, other channel, 3 items. I hope to comply them. You know that in each chapter, such as 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, so and so, has pages. The page which includes removal and installation, the page 400. But these items which I speak about them, not in these chapters. We know control cables in chapter 27 and 32, but you don't find how to remove or install control cables. In this chapter 20, you will find this removal and installation for these items: control cables, turnbuckles, air seal, electrostatic discharge, O-rings, captive screws, coaxial cable, flireless tubing, flexible hoses, hydraulic caps and plug, lubrication fittings. This is some items. Okay, how to remove and install these items. I will give you some photos for that. This is the control cables. This is the air seal, the cable, and this is the air seal. The air seal to prevent the air to transfer from pressurized area to non-pressurized area. These discharge electrostatic discharge. This, as example, this is the wing here. Maybe also in the rudder at the tail, the elevators to discharge the electric charge. Okay. This is the O-ring here, the O-ring here. These to prevent leak, hydraulic or oil or air or any fluid. This is to prevent leakage. Here, section, cross section for captive screws. This is the captive screws. This is coaxial cable and other cables, coaxial. 2 cables inside box. This is flexible hose. This is the plugs and caps for hydraulic also in this chapter. Here's the flirtless tube here. Okay, flirtless tube. How to remove or install. This is lubricating fitting here. This is lubricating fitting. About it, the grease gun here, but here, how to remove or install these items, lubricating fitting. Please, again, you must go to your aircraft maintenance manual, chapter 20, to see these items in details. I am waiting your comments and your suggestions. Thank you very much, and goodbye.